Right, we are going to get started with correcting last night's EPB homework, page 106, commas in a series. So, for numbers 1 through 14, you were supposed to first add commas to separate the words in a series, then write whether the words are nouns, verbs, or adjectives. So, for number 1, it should be, Jamal can be intelligent, comma, funny, comma, and interesting. And then the words intelligent, funny, and interesting, those are adjectives. So you should have written adjectives on the line. For number 2, it should be, we will shop, comma, pack, comma, and clean up before our trip. Shop, pack, and clean are verbs. So you should have written verbs on the line. Those are things you do. Then for number 3, so guys, I realize that sometimes these words can be like a noun, but you are looking to see how they're being used in that sentence. In that sentence, those words are being used as verbs. Will, what's your question? Not right now. Number 3, Amy, comma, Jake, comma, and Leah are joining the club. Amy, Jake, and Leah are all people, so they are nouns. Number 4, Earth, comma, Mercury, comma, and Venus are closest to the sun. Earth, Mercury, and Venus are all nouns because they're planets. They're things. Number 5. Am I going at an okay speed?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 5. The tiny kitten sat, comma, purred, comma, and curled into a ball. And sat, purred, and curled are all verbs because they are things that the kitten is doing. Number 6, the slick, comma, cold, comma, and icy streets were dangerous for driving. Slick, cold, and icy are all adjectives. Number 7, Tim's brother studies physics, comma, biology, comma, and history. Physics, biology, and history are all nouns. They're all things.
What was the icy driving one?
The icy driving one was adjectives. Yes, Frankie.
For like the students at home, like the online debate, have the
Yep, they do. They do. They do have their workbooks. What's your question, Richie?
Are we supposed to be like writing the correct one?
If you got it incorrect, then you write the correct one. Number 8, I can see rocks, comma, trees, comma, and animals on the hillside. Now, rocks, trees, and animals are nouns. They're things and animals. Number 9, the audience laughed, comma, chortled, comma, and giggled during the skit. Laughed, chortled, and giggled are verbs. And chortled is like a really deep laugh. Number 10, the ocean breeze feels misty, comma, cool, comma, and refreshing. Misty, cool, and refreshing are all adjectives. They're describing the ocean breeze. Number 11, the snow today is wet, comma, cold, comma, and heavy. Wet, cold, and heavy are all adjectives. They're describing the snow. Number 12, I prefer to read mysteries, comma, comics, comma, and poetry. And mysteries, comics, and poetry are all nouns. They're all things. Oh, too far. There we go. Then we have number 13. We study, comma, discuss, comma, and review what we learn each day. Study, discuss, and review. Those are verbs. They are things that you do. Would you guys say that we study, discuss, and review each day in class? Yeah, I'd say so for the most part. Then number 14. The shopping center was crowded, comma, bustling, comma, and noisy. Crowded, bustling, and noisy are all adjectives. Yes, because they're describing the shopping center. Okay, so then for 15 through 18, it says write a sentence using each set of words in a series. So you're supposed to use the 3 words they gave you and write them in a sentence, putting commas in the correct place. So number 15, they gave you the words scary, dark, and thrilling. Who can share their sentence for that one? Layla. Nice. And I love that you pointed out where your commas went. So the cave was scary, comma, dark, comma, and thrilling. Let's have Richie.
The movie I watched last night was scary, comma, dark, comma, and thrilling.
Awesome. And then let's have Zoe.
Last night someone was the woman on the team under. The movie was dark, comma, scary, comma, and thrilling.
Nice. Okay, then we'll do one more since yours was similar to Richie's. Let's do Will.
The ride was scary, comma, dark, comma, and thrilling.
Yeah, the ride was like an amusement park ride. That would work. All right, number 16, skis, snowboards, and sleds. Who can share their sentence for that one? Max. Nice. And did you have skis, comma, snowboards, comma, and sleds? Nice. And a period. Yep. Let's have Addie.
The snow is perfect for snowboard, comma, sled, comma, and
Nice. The snow is perfect for snowboards, comma, sleds, comma, and skis. Jack L.
You can buy skis, comma, snowboards, comma, and sleds.
Nice. You can buy skis, snowboards, and sleds. And let's have Elena.
In winter, you can use skis, comma, snowboards, comma, and sleds.
Nice. Number 17, we have oceans, lakes, and streams. Who can share their sentence for that one? Chanel.
Oceans, comma, lakes, comma, and streams are bodies of water.
Nice. Did you have the same one, Allison? Oh my gosh.
I did.
Yeah? Yep. Good job, you guys. Let's have Philip go.
I have gone to oceans, lakes, and streams.
Nice. I have gone to oceans, comma, lakes, comma, and streams. Mackenzie?
I love to go to oceans, lakes, and streams.
Nice. Emmy?
I like oceans, comma, lakes, comma, and streams.
Nice. Allison? No? Okay. Jack L?
You can fish in oceans, comma, lakes, comma, lakes. No,
Yeah.
and streams.
Nice. Nice. Drew, did you have one similar to that?
That was mine.
Oh, wow. Cool. That sounds like a sentence you would write because you love fishing and being outdoors. Then our last one, number 18. Twisted, twirled, spun. Let's see. Twisted, twirled, spun. Drew.
The tornado twisted, comma, twirling, comma, spun.
Nice. The twister twisted, comma, twirled, comma, and spun. Richie.
At gym tonight, we twisted, twirled,
At,
and spun.
nice. At gym tonight, we did those things. Oh, today.
And pew.
Yeah. Emmy.
I twisted, twirled, and spun on the swing.
Nice. On the swing. Allison.
The ballerina twisted, comma, twirled, comma, and spun.
Perfect. Layla.
At the park, we twisted, twirled, and spun.
Perfect. Elena.
We danced, twisted, twirled,
And dance. Philip.
the top twisted, twirled, and spun.
No, the top did. Zoe.
On the roller coaster, we twisted, comma, turned, comma, and spun.
Nice. Max.
I didn't like that, but I was just thinking of it.
Yeah.
Because then comma, twirled, comma,
Yes, the spaghetti twisted, comma, twirled, comma, and spun. Those would be really good actions to give to spaghetti in like a piece of writing, because when you think about it, when you go to eat it, you do twist, twirl, and spin it with your fork. Chanel,
twisted, comma, twirled, comma, and spun.
I did?
Yeah.
Just like around the classroom, I twisted, twirled, and spun?
Here.
Oh, on my chair I did?
Yeah.
Oh, I suppose I do. I'm doing it right now. Good sentence. Addie.
I twisted, twirled, and spun on the left side.
Nice. All right, show me your level of understanding, 1 through 5. How did you feel about using your commas in a series? How did we feel? Nice. All right, go ahead, put down your hands, take out your grammar vocabulary, and get ready to take some notes.